Okay, so today we're going to use a new feature of GameMaker which is called paths. In order to see the paths, which you can see here under paths or here under the squiggly line here, you need to have GameMaker in advanced mode. So if you can't see it, go to File and make sure that advanced mode is ticked. If I was to tick that off, then the paths and some of the other functions, the advanced functions, would disappear. I'm not going to do that just now. So in order to create a new path, you can click here on the squiggly line or right click and create new path. So let's try that. Now, let's make this bigger. I already have some paths in my game, so this is called path 4. I'm just going to rename it and go at path new square, because we're going to create a path that just basically moves in a square. Now, this is the X position, the Y position, and the spacing between it. You can have your grid here. You can see they're in little squares of 16 pixels. You could change them if you wanted, make them 32. Or whatever size you want. You can take the grid off as well. And this is very important here. You can choose what room you want to show in the background. So I'm going to choose, say, room 4 here. Basically, this is just a room with a square in it. Now, let's say we want to create a little path here. In order to create a path, you just click on the grid. Now, that's the starting point. The next one would be the next point in the path. Now I'm just going to click here and I'm going to have a path that moves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, say 6 squares down and then 6. Let's try 8 even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to have it move 8 to the side. 1. I'm going to untick close so it just continues like this for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're just going to go up here and finish it. Now, I'm going to tick closed again. This is basically just a path that basically moves in a square. So when we create an object, we can attach the movement of the object so it follows this path and just basically moves along in this square. And we'll do that in a wee minute. So that's a path, it's called path move square. Did I not